Good evening. This is an orb. I took this frame out of a thunderstorm. I filmed a thunderstorm and this orb went flying past, and I took this one frame, went into editing, and this is about 8 or 10 edits later. But it's at its best. So I've put this at the beginning of the video so that it'll encourage you to watch the rest of it, because so many people watch a couple of seconds and say this is rubbish and off they go. But this, just take that one. See the nose there? Eye, mouth, chin. There's one man there. There's another one, chin, mouth, eye. Another one there. Here, chin, mouth, nose. The third one. There's a fourth one here. 2 eyes, moustache, nose. And then there's another couple up this side. But the impressive one, I still can't. I still can't believe what I'm saying. But people say, I can't say a thing. Only you are saying it. So rather than see, if I think now is that like it's a dog's nose, yeah, and it's his mouth. So if you look in there, there's 2 eyes, a nose, and a beard. Yeah, there's another man. But the astonishing one in this is, and if I show you it, then you'll be able to see it. Because half the time, I can't see it. But, right, you see the 2 white bits here? That's his lips. I'm sorry. That's his teeth, sorry. There's his nose, eyes, forehead. He's got a bit of a quiff here and long black hair. And looks like Tarzan. And to go with his head is his bodybuilder body. It's incredible. If I had a body like that, I'd be laughing. He's got some kind of a black necklace here. And here's his pecs, or whatever they call them. So you keep studying that. It's about 3 or 4 times throughout the video, but this I put at the beginning, and I wanted to show you that. So teeth, nose, this is his cheek, this is his forehead, bit of a quiff there, hair, and his bodybuilder. Now, I should imagine just about everybody can see that. So, so I'll play now the rest of the video. Well, I'm overwhelmed by the music and this man here. So I'll show you again now. There's his quiff. There's his forehead, eyes, nose, top teeth, bottom teeth, chin. Long black hair. And he's either lives in the jungle or he's a Tarzan. He's his body here, he's got no top on. Now to me, he stands out like a sore thumb. But I still get people saying, can't see a thing. How can you not see that? If you, as I've showed you there now, the teeth and nose, if you bring your head right around to the right to look at it front on, it's as if it's in 3D. And this is an orb, a light orb, which a lot of people think of dust. This light orb was filmed in a thunderstorm outside my house. As you see on the first couple of slides, there was LED street light, and that light is outside my house, and I was filming into the thunderstorm, and so I did it frame by frame until I got to this one orb, and I went in to editing numerous times and came up with this, which that there, unbelievable. And this man here, he comes stick his nose, there's people all around this, and this is like an image. It's you can see inside the orb. Oh, I gotta go now. I'm boring myself now. Okay, thank you. Over and out. Don't forget to share it with friends, even if you don't want to show them on video. Take a photograph. Take a photograph of this. And next time you go to a family friend or you go to a pub, show them this. And I'll bet you 8 out of 10 will see that one and that one, if not the rest. Well, I'm going over and out.